How to go live on RedNote. Let's get started. First, launch your RedNote app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. RedNote is a social media and e commerce platform that blends lifestyle content with community interaction. Often likened to Instagram or Pinterest, it enables users to share experiences, discover trends, and purchase products directly through the app. Now, how can you go live on it? For that, click on this plus icon given at the bottom middle. Now navigate to the option Live. With that, your camera will open up. Make sure you have given camera access as well as microphone access. Now I can click on this icon. Firstly, you can give a title to your live, likewise add picture. Also, you're gonna find different options over here at the right corner. You can use these. Then you can click on this option of go live and you'll be live on RedNote. So this way you can easily go live on RedNote. This was really simple and quick process. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.